this. It just does not get any more beautiful. Good morning, everyone. Right now I am in Pennsylvania. Eric is about to drive me to the Philadelphia airport where I will commute back to Dallas because I do have a 6-hour airport standby shift tonight. Hi, Luna. Are you just looking out the window? Hi, pretty girl. Oh, big stretch.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I just landed in Dallas. I have quite a bit of time before my sign-in for my standby shift. So I came to this nice little secluded area in the D terminal. I think I'm just going to read, watch some YouTube videos, and relax before my shift starts. I did buy new flight attendant shoes. I like these even more than my Danskos. They are Clark's, and I will link them in the description box below if you're looking for a comfortable pair of shoes. I am almost done with this book, 9 Perfect Strangers. And let me tell you, it started off slow, but it is so good now. The Hulu show doesn't come out until August, so I have some time to wait until the TV adaptation is done. I did bring a little bit of food with me today. I just have an apple right here, some blueberries and raspberries, and then under all of this ice, I do have a burrito right here that I will heat up for dinner later. I think this will be my spot for the next few hours, but I will let you all know when my standby shift starts.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
I actually switched spots in the terminal because I could not get my phone or laptop to work where I previously was. But that is besides the point because I'm about to head over to Terminal C where my standby shift is, and I will let you all know if I get a trip tonight or not.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count.
I just warmed up this chicken and cheese burrito in our crew room, so I will have that for dinner tonight. And then I think while I'm here on my standby shift, I will do some of my web-based training. I do have my recurrent flight attendant training that I have to do annually in a few weeks. So I have some online modules to complete before I attend that. And yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and wait to see if I get a trip. This is really good. I just took a bite and you can see all of the melted cheese, chicken, and rice. I just got called for a 3-day trip by cruise scheduling. We are only doing one flight tonight though. It is from Dallas to San Diego. So I will see you guys there. I just got to my hotel room in San Diego. Wow, look at this beautiful view I have from my balcony. This is absolutely gorgeous. The flight over here was 2.5 hours long. It was smooth. Everything went great. It's 10:40 p.m. right now here in San Diego, which means in Dallas it is actually 12:40 a.m. So I am pretty tired. I am going to shower and get ready for bed. Good morning. I just picked up some food from downstairs. I have scrambled eggs, bacon, and breakfast potatoes. Oh, and some sourdough toast as well. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then I already have to start getting ready for work. I do not want to leave this gorgeous view. I mean, look at this. It just does not get any more beautiful. I want to be out there on one of those boats. But today we do have 2 flights. The first one is very long. We are flying from San Diego to Chicago, and I believe that is about 4.5 hours long. And then we are flying from Chicago to Washington, D.C., where I will have an overnight layover tonight. One more view of the water before we head out. Before we get into the second half of this trip, I do want to thank Blueland for kindly sponsoring today's video. I am really trying to make a few sustainable lifestyle changes, and one thing that I'm finding really difficult while doing so is finding cleaning products without harmful ingredients. That is until I found Blueland. Blueland's products are effective, safe for use, and sourced from clean ingredients. Most traditional liquid cleaners are sold in single-use plastics, whereas with Blueland, all you need is this nickel-sized tablet. How it works is you fill your Forever bottle with warm to hot water, drop one of the tablets into the water, and put the nozzle on after the tablet fully dissolves. The bottles are ready for use in minutes. There's no shaking or stirring needed. I received the Blueland Clean Essentials Kit, which includes foaming hand soap, multi-surface cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, as well as glass and mirror cleaner. Make sure you all check out the link in my description box below for 15% off your first Blueland The Clean Essentials Kit. And now let's get back to San Diego for the rest of this flight attendant trip. I need to be downstairs in a little over 10 minutes to head to the airport. So unfortunately, it is time for me to leave San Diego. I definitely wish I had more time here, but I am still just so grateful that I got this little bit of sunshine on this balcony and these beautiful views. Okay, I swear, this is the last view, but look how beautiful this is. You can eat down here and look out at all of the boats. Oh, just gorgeous. All right, now I really gotta head to the airport. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up in Washington, D.C. It's a very cloudy and rainy day out today. Yesterday went pretty late. By the time that we landed, I took the shuttle to the hotel. I got to my hotel, I took a shower, and was ready for bed. It was about 1:30 in the morning. But today is an easy day, knock on wood. And yeah, today we just have one flight and it's a deadhead. So I am flying as a passenger, even though I am still considered working crew, from DCA back to Dallas. And the reason why I am deadheading is because, like I've mentioned in a previous video before, every trip I start and finish is out of DFW. And this originally was a DC based trip. I worked with a Washington DC based crew. One of their crew members called in sick when they got to Dallas, and that's why I was called off of standby to continue her trip for her. That is the lowdown for today, and I will see you all when I get back to Dallas. As you all can tell, I am back home in Dallas now. It's actually been a few days since I have last talked to you all. The night that I got home from my San Diego, DC trip, I just felt awful. I felt so sick, and unfortunately I ended up having to call in sick for a trip that I was given by crew scheduling the next day. I always feel so bad when I have to call in sick, but there was just no way that I was okay to fly. But anyways, it's been a few days and I am obviously feeling so much better now. I am really excited though because I do have a few days off coming up, and my mom is actually flying here to Dallas and we're gonna go on a trip together. I'm not gonna tell you all where because you're gonna have to stay tuned for that vlog, but what I can tell you is that where we're going, it's going to be very, very, very hot. Just got my mama from the airport and now we're about to hit the road. So that should be really fun and I'm really looking forward to that. I spent this morning deep cleaning our house because it really needed it. And now it is sparkling clean thanks to all of my new Blueland products. I want to go to the gym today, pack, and get ready for my trip with my mama. So I think I'm going to conclude this vlog here. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope that you are staying healthy and safe wherever in the world you are. And oh, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.